So over the years, we've met many talented youngsters here in Smile Jamaica. And today is no different. At 16 years old, Holy Trinity student, doing CSEC now, but she's already making moves with Sly and Robbie. And we're going to hear her track addressing the youth of the nation in a bit. But first, let's meet Janice Solomon. And because it's spelled J-A-H, I almost said Janice, but it's Janice. Morning, welcome to Smile Jamaica.
Good morning.
16 years old.
Right.
Just before you get to Sly and Robbie and the hookup with that, when did you start singing and thinking that I have some talent here? When did that
I
start?
started singing from the age of 7.
Yeah, we're in church, or you just get up one day and just start singing?
JCDC, school, church, every little event you can think of, karaoke's.
Yeah.
Believe me.
You're obviously just talking to you before this, you're a confident person,
Yes.
but how you did feel? Say, boy, I feel I can't do this in front of an audience and I think they're going to like me and stuff. That wasn't scary?
It was at first, believe me, it was because singing for me in front of crowd is an ordinary thing, but talking is totally different because sometimes I feel like I might get shy, say the wrong thing, but it worked out. It eventually
If you say the wrong thing, you just correct yourself and say the right thing after that.
That's true.
How's CSEC going, by the way?
CSEC is challenging, but it's going great.
Yeah, I hear everybody about the maths, mad them.
Really, it does.
Sly and Robbie,
Challenging
how you made the connection and what they do for you? They play on a song, they produce you, what they do for you?
They produce me, and they're a great management team. And I have to say thanks to my manager Rory Baker. He's the
He
best.
made the connection?
Yes, and Susan. I want to say big up to them really much. Believe me, working with Sly and Robbie, it has been a really great experience for me because they're fun.
Yeah.
And when it comes out to the music, it's really serious.
This is what you want to do? Or you
Yes,
went to
this
an
is my
adapter or
passion
something?
for it,
So this year you're going to be a singer?
Definitely.
Your style would be what? What
My
kind of
style?
style you have?
My style would be more of a classic, kind of humble kind of style, you know?
I love humble.
Yes,
Song you're
it
going to do
does.
for us, Sly and Robbie involved in this one?
Yes.
They play
Robbie
on the
played-
song too?
Yes, Robbie played bass,
Yeah.
Sly played drum,
And they produced it also?
along with Rory Baker.
Yeah, man. It's great to
And-
meet you.
Thanks.
I wish you all the very best. And don't be
Same
nervous.
to you.
How many
I
more
will.
subjects you have in the CSEC? How much more do you?
3.
You're going down that too. Here she is, Janice Solomon.
You told me that I can be who I want to be. You say that I'm the future, free to rule my destiny. You said that if I work hard, I will succeed. You say my rights were protected, and I believe. You told me you'll be there in my time of need, but you didn't tell me of all this exploitation, selfishness and greed. I am somebody, part of a human family. I'm the future, can't you see? Don't turn your back on me. I am somebody, don't you leave me behind. I'm the future, can't you see? Don't turn your back on me. Sometimes I wish that I could make you understand the pain I feel from scars that never seem to heal. Sometimes I wish that we would look in our hearts and see that only love can heal the world. It starts with you and me. Oh yes, I am somebody, part of a human family. I'm the future, can't you see? Don't turn your back on me. I am somebody. Don't you leave me behind. I'm the future, can't you see?
Nice song by Janice Solomon, as you heard, working with Sly and Robbie. Don't get much better than that.
Nope.
All right, so it's time for Puppy Show Central, a.k.a. Something to Smile About. So apparently, at the top of the show, you kind of share the recipe of disaster with you. Toilet paper, soda can, rubber band, and a stick. It's called Tear It Up. So we're shooting rubber bands at the toilet paper with the aim of tearing it so the can drop.
What?
Thank you. So you're supposed to lick the toilet paper until you tear it and then the can drop. Where's your rubber band then, please?
What you hitting it with? You're not building a shot to lick it? So
No, man, it's like you do something so. And you go and lick it till you burst it, I guess. We lick it from this side or that side. Which side easier?
You need a shot.
Yeah, looking at the screen. But you still don't see where you it.
You need a shot. Maybe we can just...
God, put that lick on my finger a while ago.
Can we use that? Can we build shot and use? Okay. You need a shot or something?
No, them say must leave elastic band alone.
All right.
Aye.
Okay.
But why am I eating my finger low? Sama, that look that look dangerous.
It does, and it's never gonna work. All right.
All right, watch me.
What, Nev? That was a very precise trajectory. Whoa, sorry, Benji.
I'm going to give you a hint.
You have to hit up the top.
No, aim at the perforate.
Crease. Yeah, but that takes great skill. But you're very used to it.
Stop not my finger. Why?
Hush, hush,
Man.
hush.
No, man. Summer, you're violent. Look how you tear up the toilet paper. That's it.
Why won't it break?
Summer, that is violence.
What the man? So why it won't break?
Hold on, man. No, see, man, you just tear up the toilet paper. Nobody
trying to
can
broke
use
it.
it afterwards. Yeah, my finger. All right, no, I finished with you now. Yes, man, I like that. Summer, what you?
Sorry, Benji. Sorry. Yo, target.
All right, we can finish it off for you.
Is it a different role?
We can
Thank
finish
you,
it
sir.
off for
Thank you. Thank you. You're the best toilet shooter in town.
Toilet shooter.
Apparently, that's a thing.
All pirates, yes, they rabbi.
You're serious. Find the drawer down there. Go on. That was really my hand, dude. But
Minutes
finish.